I forgot to say one more thing on that last video, so I'm going to attach it on a second video here. If we take a look at the lab one more time, I just wanted to point something out with Le Chatelier's principle. So the overall reaction for the first one was, let me just write it here in a different color here. I'm going to write it on the top of the page. It's Cu plus 2 AQ plus Zn solid yields copper solid and Zn plus 2 AQ. Okay, so with Le Chatelier, remember that you can shift a reaction forwards or backwards. So let's say you wanted to make this cell that we drew on the bottom of the page and you wanted to have more than a 1.1 voltage. You can do that. The way to do that is because you want to shift it to the right. Okay, you shift it to the right. So if you want to shift it to the right, there's two ways to do that. You can only change the aqueous. The solid is not going to change anything, because as long as you have some solid, it doesn't matter what size of a strip it is. So the only thing you can do is either increase the copper plus 2. So this used to be 1 molar. You could make it higher than 1 molar, and that's going to shift it to the right. Or you could decrease the concentration of the zinc plus 2 from 1 molar, go lower than that. And that's also going to shift the reaction to the right. And then, of course, the opposite is true. If you want less than 1.1 volts, then you would do the opposite for that as well.